Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, you guys? Just wanted to get on here this morning and look over a few things on the market. The market is gone crazy, bananas, or better yet, red. Red. I mean, coin market cap. It's just amazing. I mean, if most of you guys are like me and you're looking at your portfolio, your blockfolio, you're seeing that your blockfolio is down. And you're thinking to yourself, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? Hey, should I jump out? Should I jump into something else? What should I do? And really, right now is the time to buy more. Buy more. It's holiday shopping time. Time for you to go get you some of those coins that you were looking at and just was a little bit too pricey for you, and you said, hey, you know what? Now is the time to go get them because the market is gonna bounce back. It's coming back. There's a lot of stuff that's going on in the market. A lot of FUD, a lot of information being circulated. Um, European regulators warn investors they could lose everything in ICOs. You know, if a lot of people are jumping into ICOs and they're just saying that these are buying into initial coin offerings can lead to a loss of investments. The chair of European
MiFID 2, what
Security.
is it meant for you? And what?
So you don't have to have the regular protection of regulated investments that offer. See, they're just trying to scare people into not being into this crypto market, which is high risk, high reward, and we all know that. And if anybody who comes into this space should know that already. That you it's no safety net here. There's no you are your own bank. When they say be your own bank, you are your own bank. There's no teller to go to and say you need assistance for this, that. When you click that button and you send it out into the cyberspace, there's no recovery department um, to redo a transaction that you messed up. There's no customer service or support. So yeah, this is not new news, but just seems like it's getting more attention the more and more they follow the FUD. Fear of uncertainty and doubt. All right. There's another big headline that's going around, and there are so many more. You can just go on there and Google the market crashing or why is the market red, and there's so much information out there. You can go on YouTube, and it's just the same thing. There's so much information. So what do? You put on filters. You put on your goggles and your visionary glasses, and you be able to see what's happening, see through all this doubt, and find a positive lining in the negative. What is the positive? That's what I always like to do, is try to find a positive in a negative. What is the positive in this negative? What is the positive in this negative? Well, if all you see is red on this page and that bothers you, like most people do, what you have to do is, like I said, on Opportunity Launch Team, we're looking for opportunities that are launching so we can share with our team. And this is what we're going to do today. We want to show you this is an opportunity. This is a time to, like on the Big Four, when they challenge those singers on the Big Four, they say eat, 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 eat. This is a time for you to eat, to store up, to get ready for the feast. And this is the time. And we're going to go through this real quick in a little bit, but I just wanted to bring awareness to some of the headlines so you guys can see exactly where I'm coming from and where I'm going to. Bitcoin, Ethereum is almost every other cryptocurrency is plunging. That's not big news. That's not new news. This is something we see every day. If you're like me and you watch your coin market cap on your phone, or you're into your blockfolio and you're in there every day, you're seeing that how the market is reacting. So it shouldn't be no surprise. Um, Everybody knows what's going on with the regulators and what's going on in China's. So a lot of these exchanges that had the high Asian volume is now being reduced. So volume, supply and demand. If people aren't buying, then the prices um, start to drop. So that's just a normal reaction. But we know one thing about the market: it's very volatile and it's gonna bounce back. So look away now if you own Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. This won't be breaking news to you if you are invested. But today has seen the entire crypto market fall by double digit percentages. Now that's huge. That's huge. That's a huge opportunity. The price of Bitcoin slumped about 15% and dropped below 12,000 dollars. So you guys, this is a chance for you, even with the big caps, even with the big players. I call them the blue chips. Even with the blue chips, it's an opportunity for you to be able to get in and get some of those as well. Ethereum, meanwhile, has fell by over 20%. 20%. To hover over 1,000, and Ripple down 33%. Those people that missed out on the Ripple rise to $3-4 or 230, 240, now 123. Time for you to go shopping, get you some Ripple, get stock back up. And then those people that had bought the position and you're still holding on, and you say, well, I'm at a loss. You're never at a loss unless you sell. You're never at a loss unless you sell. So what it's time for? It's time to accumulate. That's when most of the wealth is created, and that's when most people try to get in to these positions, start accumulating more. And when you only had a few of these coins, now you can get a little bit more of these coins. So when they go back up, you can see the potential gains. You can see the gains that happen when they bounce back. It's a far cry when Bitcoin hits a record of 20K exactly a month ago in December. But if you guys look at where Bitcoin came from and where it's at right now, I mean, even if you go do the math and do the numbers, Bitcoin is still at a great gain for the year. The month has been kind of rough. The last couple of months have maybe been kind of rough, but Bitcoin is still at a great price from where it was a month or two ago. So the 10 based on coupons, coins. These are top 10 right here, and they're showing you the numbers and the stats all red. And here's the numbers for the next 20, and they're showing you the numbers and stats. And then a little green, and what the green has, the tether. Why? Because people are taking their money out and they're holding it in their tether, their profits, waiting for the opportunity to buy the ICOs or buy the coins that they're looking at, the ones that they're are really interested in buying. So that's what the purposes of this is today, is opportunity. Opportunity right now. If you look at some of the top coins, Ripple and Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see 15% down, 10%. If you see 10%, I mean, that's good shopping. Good shopping. But then when you start, I want to look at the ones that are actually green. So where's some green at on this board? Okay, we talked about Tether. KuCoin shares. KuCoin is a platform, Asian platform that has its own coin, and if you buy that coin, they will actually share the profits with you. 50% of what the trading volume is. If you hold the coins, then you will get a cut. You will get a little bit of every other coin. Whatever coin that they earn fees in, they will sprinkle some of that profits back to the shareholders, which is very unique. It's up 1.9%. What else do we see in the green up here? Anything? Ethos. This ethos is going to be the answer to a lot of problems on the in crypto. A lot of problems on crypto is like multiple wallets. Do you have coins that you have on multiple wallets in different places and locations? Well, with Ethos, you're going to be able to bring all that into one location. Being able to buy Bitcoin and from fiat dollars, Coinbase and some of these other platforms give you a hard time in trying to convert and actually spend your dollars or your coins. Each coin, you can store it all in one place and be able to use it and spend it at the same time. That's the answer to Ethos. Ethos is good. Goodbye. Goodbye. Let's see what else. QuanStamp. QuanStamp is a platform that allows ICOs and different smart contracts and things like that to be produced, and it is a very undervalued at 46 cents. A good buy, even in the green right now. A good buy. This is a good long-term hold. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, and definitely not your legal counsel, but like I said, this is just me putting out information to help some other people that might be interested or looking but might not have a little bit of knowledge of what's going on with these coins, and just sharing a little bit with you. So we're still looking. See a red. Quantum resist up 23%, and you can't see. I mean, I'm on the next. I done went to 200. Here it is, 200. On each page, I might have found one or two green. Let me see what else we found right here. Exenon. Now, I don't know much about this one right here. It's up 56%, so it's only 20 cents. Let's go take a look at it. It's got a big supply, but as we see with Ripple, that's not a big deal. A big supply, circulating supply, 300 million, 1 billion total supply, so that's not bad. Let's see when this coin actually hit the market. January 17th, it came in at 3 cents. Wow. Where's it at right now? 20 cents. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Where's the all-time high? I see 71 cent. 92 cent. So there it is. This right here would have been a good buy for some people, or it still is a good buy. I wouldn't say it's not. Let's go check out their website. The world's most advanced blockchain. The widest token distribution. Ethereum network airdrop. Bitcoin network linked address drop. Developer and partner airdrop. Cointelegraph, Yahoo Finance, Blockchain. You can get on their Slack, their Twitter, and I don't see much on their website. If you want to read their white paper, you can go and read their white paper, find out more about Exenon. But as you can see, it had a big spike up in the Bitcoin price, in the Satoshis, and then took a dip. Now it's on the upswing. Even through all the red that's going on, this one right here looks like it might be a winner for a short term. I wouldn't say long term. I have to do more research about this company, find out what's more. But for short term profits, then yeah, maybe so. There you go. Exenon. So there was one more, Terron. I was looking at that one. That one showed some positive, and even in this green, or this sea of red. So you guys, I don't know about you, but like I said, when you go back and you look at this market and you're looking and you're seeing a lot of opportunity. Some of the coins that was on my radar as far as is picking up, and I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm looking at to pick up is let me see if I can find it. Bit degree. If you guys looked into that, it's down 23% to 29 cents. It was at 23 cents at one time, and I mean, what? Let's see how high it's been. And this just came out. I mean, this is brand new, brand new. So, 57 cent is 57 cents showing on this high, but let's go see on the chart. Let's go see on the chart. Let's see. Let's take this Satoshi out. Okay. So 54, 57, 57, 57. So you see where it's at right here. And it was, I mean, when it came in, it took a peak, and then it just, and this has been, this has been in the last couple of weeks or a week or so. So you're looking at all that, but this platform is where you can actually get paid to educate, and you can actually get paid to learn. So this has a great value out there in the market. A lot of talk about Bit Degree. So I don't have a position on Bit Degree just yet, but I'm looking to get a position on Bit Degree. It's on Ether Delta and IDEX. IDEX is a exchange that I haven't done much on. I think I might have one or two coins that I purchased on there. I have to go back and check. Not too much. Um, One we already talked about, Ethos. We already talked about Ethos. It's at $7.13, and like I said, this thing right here, just what is it? 15. I mean, this is already taking a turn.